Now, your 21Alive First Alert forecast.
We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for everybody in the counties in pink until 9 p.m. this evening. That's basically where US 30 runs and to the south, and that does include Allen County. That does include those of us here in Fort Wayne. We can see a line of thunderstorms starting to move towards us. It is a little bit broken in nature, but there's a lot of lightning, and you notice there's a lot of specks of red on this map. That's an indication that we've got some strong, heavy rain coming with these thunderstorms, and we'll probably have to deal with it for a couple of more hours. The back side of this line is probably going to take 2.5, maybe even 3 hours to clear out of Allen County. So be prepared for a relatively loud and soggy evening. And like I mentioned, yeah, these storms are producing some heavy rainfalls. You can see there's a lot of pink and some red on this map. That's estimated 1.5 to maybe even 2.5 inches of rain falling per hour. But the good news is these storms are moving a little bit. They're not staying on top of one spot, so we're not seeing that 2.5 inches reach the ground. But don't be surprised in these strong thunderstorms if an inch or so doesn't fall within maybe 30 to 45 minutes. So here's what First Alert Future Track looks like as we go throughout the rest of the night and into tomorrow. Still dealing with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms by 8 o'clock, but now our friends over in Ohio will be dealing with the bulk of it by about 8, 9 o'clock tonight. And then overnight into Monday morning, we'll see most of that moisture move out of our area. Maybe 1 or 2 residual rain showers left over on Monday, but that's going to be about it. Really not going to be impacting a whole lot of us and not going to be adding much rain either. So the first day of the week actually looks pretty good. So how much rain are we talking? Well, if we take a look at our rain gauges, we could be talking anywhere between ½ an inch to maybe even an additional inch of rainfall by the time everything is all said and done. And that's good news because we definitely need the rain. Our drought monitor shows that we've still got drought conditions in our area. The orange right here, the light shade orange, is level 1 drought. The dark shade orange in LaGrange and Steuben County, that's level 2 of 4 drought conditions. So we definitely want to start turning things around, and the rain that we saw yesterday and the rain that we'll see this evening is definitely going to help. And the good news is it does look like we've actually got more rain to come. When we look out towards about July 12th or so, we've got this light green on top of us. This map provided by the Climate Prediction Center tells us that it looks like we're going to see above average precipitation for that time frame. So it looks like we've got some more help in terms of the rain department to come in the next several days. So your forecast for tomorrow, partly sunny, a high of 84, 1 or 2 pop-up rain showers, but not going to be a big concern. And your 4th of July forecast is looking pretty good. I don't think we have to worry about rain at all on Tuesday. Fireworks displays should be nice and dry. It will be warm and it will be muggy though. You can see by 4 p.m. we're already in the mid-80s, and that's where we'll hover into the early evening hours before temperatures drop off pretty quickly at sunset. But you notice partly cloudy to mostly sunny conditions throughout the entire day. Just a reminder though, spending long periods of time outside on the 4th of July, wear that sunscreen and definitely reapply it. So when we looked at temperatures in the future, yeah, for the most part, we've been near or above average, but it looks like we're actually going to start to swing the other way. That same time frame, July 8th through 12th, so about mid-month of July, this blue color tells us that we could see cooler than average temperatures. So wetter than average and cooler than average is the outlook right now towards mid-month. Not a slam dunk that that's going to happen, but that is the outlook. So here's your extended forecast showing a high of 88 on Wednesday, and then our next best chance for widespread rain looks like it's going to come on Thursday and could bring us some thunderstorms as well. Then as we get towards next weekend, you can see we're getting cooler and we're getting drier.